What's up, guys? As you can see, we got our chassis back from King's. We took it over there to have it measured out and checked out on their frame rack because we did have a little bit of a mishap at Irwindale. So we wanted to get the front end measured out. We got the back measured out. They did give it a little bit of a yank and did a little repair work on there for us because it was a little off. We're trying to salvage those subframes that are in the car as good spares. So, but from there, we brought the chassis back and got it torn down and getting ready for some off-season upgrades.
Where are we at, Jackson?
All right, we're up at King's Auto Body today. We dropped off the car, pro car. They're gonna get it measured up and straightened out for us. These guys kill it every time we bring something for them for auto body and paint, frame, all kinds of repairs of that nature. So
yeah, because we're actually here a lot, a lot.
Yeah, more than we should really admit.
Thank you. We will measure the frame. We will see how much you get moved from the shock tower.
Yep.
And then we will let you know.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
It's not too bad.
I hope not too. But awesome. If it is, it's gonna come back. So
we're gonna fix.
Cool. Thank you.
Notice it.
He's gonna be like, this thing is terrible.
He's gonna call us up and be like, yeah, it's total, guys. We're gonna keep it.
It's gone.
Jackson and Ray rolled up to King's Auto with the Condor and had the all-new Z strapped to the back so we can have our boy Ayed and his team take a look at the damage from Irwindale. They got in there and realized that the damage wasn't too bad, but we still wanted to put it up on their frame rack to make sure that everything was 100% before we tear into this chassis. All in all, the chassis looks really good, and they said in about 3 or 4 days they'll have it back to us good as new.
Yeah, made it to King's Auto Body.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got cool stuff in the parking lot all the time.
For real, dude. Like,
you really do. Not very many body shops you walk into. Yeah, there's a R35 GTR, 2 M3 E46s. I don't even know what that thing is because I don't keep up with new BMWs.
That's a G82? Is that what their chassis codes?
I think they're like a G, yeah.
You're a G.
You're right. E36 over there, that thing.
Damn right.
Nice stuff. All right, let's go find the man.
See, the first thing I said, I was like,
I'm gonna go get the t-shirt.
How you guys doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Happy New Year, man.
Happy New Year.
You too.
So how bent was that car?
A little bit. No, it's not bad.
I was about to say, dude, I'm starting to become a real big BMW guy. Like,
I've been trying to make him realize the BMW is a good car.
I know, you had one, yeah?
Yeah, I've got a couple of them. I love them.
ah, dude, this. Best car ever made.
Yeah.
What, Viper for you?
Dude, Vipers.
Best car ever made?
Yeah. New gens too are sick. The ACRs are sick.
Oh, they one of the fastest ones.
Yeah. Oh yeah, here's our car.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So this was moved a little bit inside.
Okay. Yeah.
So we moved it back, you know. Nothing with the suspension, but like what we spoke before, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I think this is structure of the vehicle right here after you guys chopped it off, so you have your shock towers moving
Right, everything's kind of...
and the floor is moving along. So we fixed the crack, we moved it a little bit, we fixed those 2 cracks, you know, we welded them back in. And then we fixed the floor also too, we welded it. And this one has a sealer, so we just put like, you know, this is what we call it, like, you know, it's like a sealer just for the water doesn't go through.
Right, yeah, perfect.
I'm very sure with the steel, after you guys spray it, it's gonna look good.
Perfect, yeah. I think it will.
one can
It'll look
see
good as new, yeah.
Yeah, I think the front
awesome.
end is the same thing, but it's moved a little bit, not that much.
Yeah.
So I think
Good.
I think maybe this side. I'm not
That's
sure which one. This
that's
side or the other
refreshing.
side, because the front, it wasn't me. My guy did it.
Okay.
So we just moved the front a little bit, but
Awesome.
everything is in spec and everything is perfect.
Sweet. That's a relief.
So Chris, he was a good driver last year.
Yeah. He kept it out of the wall most of the time. Yeah.
Not bad.
Compared to some guys.
Exactly.
Like, they're pretty good. So that's good.
Did a good job.
Yeah, I appreciate it. You guys did a good job and knocked it out for us.
No worries.
I need a favor.
Yes.
I need some decals.
Oh, we have some. What color you want?
What colors do you have?
We have all of it.
All right, I'm gonna pick some.
All right, so we got back to the shop and the chassis is good as new. Ayed and his team, they did a awesome job getting this thing straightened out. They said there was very, very little damage, but they got in there and cleaned up a couple little parts of the chassis that we wanted to make sure were 100%, because we're gonna take this back to the shop and me and the rest of the guys are gonna tear this thing down all the way to the shell, all the way down to that bare metal. But once again, shout out to Ayed and his guys for really taking the time to make sure that we start the season off right. But until then, we got some work to do.
Up on the flatbed when we took it from the shop by myself.
Oh, like pushing it on by
I put it
yourself?
on by myself.
Damn, dude.
I didn't push it on. I had to get the ratchet strap. I like winched it on with the ratchet strap.
I was about to say, big strong man's dog.
No way. I got it to the edge right there and it just donk. Stop. Is it a built motor or?
Yeah, it's a built motor.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's made. I mean, it goes all the way to I think 1500 horsepower. But the owner, he overbuilt it, so
Right.
now it's running only just like 1200 horsepower.
That's incredible.
Wheel horsepower.
That's incredible.
So we just want to go through it, you know.
Yeah. Have you given it some rips yet?
Not yet, because to be honest with you, that's why he crashed it. You know what I mean? Because he doesn't have, like, his tire was bald, so we put the new tires on it. And then RD Engineering, which is a friend of mine, so we're gonna take it over there because he built the engine.
Oh,
We
sweet.
just want him to go through it to make sure everything is good before we take it. So the plan, to be honest with you, is to take it to shift sector. This is supposed to make 190 miles per hour.
Right.
And a half miles. So we'll see.
Yeah,
We'll see what
it
next
should.
event. Yeah.
Sure, these cars are incredibly
Yeah.
fast.
All right, so how straight was this car compared to most drift cars?
I think it's very straight. So if anything get moved, which is the rear shocks tower in the rear, it get moved maybe like 4 inch, which is not bad. I mean, you can adjust it with the rear control arm. Other than that, I mean, it was in really good shape. We see way worse than this. So Chris, he kept it really good.
So full transparency, why don't we have a left side mirror? I've been your turn signal for like,
I fixed it.
oh, you did fix it. So, just so you guys know, literally this thing was like pushed. Wait, how did you fix it?
Okay, so it was like this, right? And I pushed it back. It made that click sound, and then now it doesn't go anymore.
Ah, stonks. Dude, I was literally like doing hand signals. I sounded like an S13. I was doing the,
Get his head out the window. And
yeah.
Like, on the 405. The 405.
The 405. Whatever, let's head back to the shop. But we're leaving Kings. Honestly, I absolutely love this place. Yeah, some decals, dude. Yeah, dude.
What color you want? I got you guys black and white.
Yeah.
Sick.
Three color by small ones.
I'm totally not going to steal one of those for myself or anything, but
Thank you.
We'll get you more.
They make more every day.
everybody try to convince him to make a YouTube channel so that way he showed us some stuff that I won't show just out of respect because I think he should.
I think you should.
Yeah.
You have like a car collection video. It'd be your opening video on your channel.
One day.
There you go.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Well, one day, hopefully.
Thank you.
Awesome. Yeah, good to see you, man. My brother.
Thank you.
Good to see you. Yeah, enjoy it, guys.
Great.
Yeah, you feeling that? You feeling?
Great. I'll just put my sun visor down so it doesn't get in my eyes.
Quiet on set.
Can I be here?
You could be there.
You are
It's
there.
actually better that you're there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude.
Is it better?
Dude, honestly, yeah,
It's
wow.
looking good. Yeah. No outro needed. There you go.
Yeah, that's it. All right, guys, pack up.
Yeah. No, the guys are doing awesome work. Oh, Christ. That
All right, on.
Alright.
all this better be in the video.
Yes.
I'm gonna be upset. Yeah, the guys are already getting onto the car. You know, like we said, Kings did a fantastic job getting it straightened up and cleaned up for us. We got it stripped out, and we're starting to do some off-season upgrades to it. We got some lightweight mods coming in. We got a doggy coming in. Oh no, she stayed.
she
Oh,
paused.
good girl, yeah, staying offset, unlike Jackson. You can see we got the windshield out. We got the roof off. We got a few other bits that we're trimming out and lightening up on it to get every ounce out of this car that we can, because we did build it in 5.5 weeks. Some of those things weren't done because of timing, and now we're looking for every bit of performance we can get out of our all-new Z. So we just have to wait for the next episode to see what we got, but it's gonna be good. But yeah, this series is gonna be a front to back showing the all-new Z rebuild from beginning to end. So make sure to follow along the series. It's not just gonna be a bunch of random stuff happening around the shop. We're gonna make sure to have this nice, tight, and right. Right, Ray?
Yeah.
Do a good job for us?
Yeah, yeah.
No, we want to show everything on this because we weren't able to document as much as we wanted to when we built the car the first time. So we're going to show it to you on round 2, version 2.
So now you guys can build it at home.
Yeah, build your own.
Yeah, tell 'em.